Okay, I have a helper today. We are doing part 3 of this half and half tumbler. We have half material and half glitter. The glitter is from Fairy Tale Glitter. Part 1 and part 2 are posted. Part 3, all we're going to do is put on the first coat of epoxy. We're using Fast Set. I mixed up 20 mils because Lainey is my helper today, and she says this 20 mil cup needs 20 mils of epoxy. Actually, it's a 20 ounce tumbler, but she says this 20 ounce tumbler needs 20 mils of epoxy. So we're going to experiment and find out, if it really needs 20 mils on this 20 ounce tumbler. So again, guys, you all know that I go from the wet area that I poured up to the dry area, which is over the rim, just like that. Make sure you've got good coverage. And then I start down. Pour a little bit more on here. You don't have to do it my way, do it your way. Whatever works for you. We just want to be sure we get a good base coat of epoxy over this, because when I do the live tomorrow, we are going to be doing the striping. Remember, we're going to put a striping where your material and your your material and your glitter meets. So right now, all I'm doing is making sure that I've got good coverage everywhere before I move on. I don't want a lot. I don't need a lot. I'm going to roll it over the bottom. Make sure you can see where it goes from dry and it's wet. We're just rolling over the edge and covering that up in there. Because this is my tilt turner, I'm going to tilt it up a little bit, and I'm just going to put a little bit right on the bottom of there. Kind of swirl that around, make sure you get all your cracks and crevices covered up. You guys can see that I'm not gentle, I'm not babying this. It is Fast Set. Doesn't matter to me if it's Fast Set, regular, generic brand, Alumilite. If I have to baby the epoxy, I'm not using the epoxy. All epoxies have some type of a learning curve. That just means you haven't used it before, and you need to know what it likes and what it doesn't like. Okay, I'm trying to make sure I've got good coverage. Lainey, you're looking in the camera. Does it look like good coverage?
It looks like on the edge you missed a spot somewhere.
This edge?
Yeah.
Lainey says I've got an edge that I missed a spot. So we're just going to go right back over it again. She can see in the camera. I cannot. I see a little piece right there, Lainey. I agree with you. There we go.
There it is.
Okay.
Oh, like it's somewhere over there.
It's somewhere over there. Okay, and what she was talking about was right here in this rim, I missed a piece. Okay, the other thing is you want to come back up to your rim, and I always roll it over the top of my rim. I can clean that up. I just want to be sure that I've got good coverage on here. That's how hard it is. Now, Lainey said this is a 20 ounce cup. I need 20 mils to go on a 20 ounce cup. This is how much I have left. And I have, let me turn it up here so I can see. I have 10 mils left. So this 20 ounce tumbler
only needs 10 mils.
Only needed 10 mils. So now she's learned something today too.
You divide by half.